Hi guys, it's Jemiah here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some vegan curry quinoa. This is not only for my vegans, but for anyone who wants to have a tasty, healthy meal. So I have here about 2 cups of cooked quinoa that I cooked earlier. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up some fresh peppers and onions, a little garlic, some cilantro. And you can get the exact ingredients and the exact recipe at my website, Miahjay.com. The link will be in the description box below. You can also follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook and Instagram. And on Facebook, it's at Miahjay. That's Miahjay. And it's the same for my Instagram, at Miahjay, Miahjay. So yeah, follow me on social media. And don't forget to click the subscribe button below to subscribe to my YouTube channel on here. Break it down. Now that I have all of my peppers and onions chopped, I'm gonna come over here and start sauteing them in my pan. What I have here is some butter flavored coconut oil that I'm gonna take and put in the pan. And I'm gonna do about a good tablespoon of it in the pan, let it melt down. This is a really great alternative for your vegans out there if you want that butter flavor without the butter calories. Or the, I guess butter comes from cow, so yeah. So if you want butter flavor without the cow, then yeah, you can find this probably at any of your local health food stores. Really good product. So my oil is nice and hot. I'm gonna add my peppers and onions. Ooh, hear the sizzle. Sizzle in the pot. Sizzle in the pot. We're gonna let these cook for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, my peppers and onions have been cooking for about 5 minutes now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit of my seasoning blend over into this mixture. Just a little at a time until I get it all in there. It smells so good. And once I have that in the pan, just gonna give it a quick little stir and add my fresh garlic. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and add my quinoa. Just give it a nice mix so all of those flavors can get down in there and get out up in there. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit more vegetable broth. And there you have it. Now that everything's complete, I'm gonna go ahead and put my quinoa into my bowl. It's ready to be served. This smells so good. Can't wait to eat it. Can't wait to dig in. And my cilantro, quick little chop. And here's my curry quinoa for all you vegans out there. For more recipes such as this, visit my website, miahjay.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my website and also subscribe to this video. Bye!